All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd sure appreciate it if you would do so. If this is your first time here, I'm Jason Jordan, affiliate marketer, and I also have the channel here to teach you how to do the same. A lot of these programs we run them together side by side so that we can have more income than we normally would. So this series here is another series about making money online and how to running the basically the same kind of way we do with this one, just a different product. So you can see that here if you want to check that out. And personally, this is a better program to run, but it is a little more expensive because the product is a $25 product. Whereas this product we're running is we're running $5 a day for ads, and then the product's actually free to run ads to because it's through Clickbank. So if you're on a budget, this is a good place to start, but I would definitely, this would be my next step if I was going to want to make even more, right? All right, so today we are on day number 18, day number 18 of this series right here, which means we have today, tomorrow, and then we've got one more email. So we've got 3 more emails in this series to send. After today, we'll only have 2 more. And then we're going to go to the next product in line and see how long it takes us to turn $5 a day into that $4,000 a month or more. But that's our goal. That's where we want to get to with this program, running it this way. This is simple copy and paste. I talk more about the setup and how to get things set up and what you need back in the first video. So if this is your first time seeing this and seeing me and seeing this video, please go ahead and go back to the very first one of this series and start there. It'll make more sense. And let's go ahead and jump right in over to Clickbank and see what we've got. So we'll get into our account and let's see. Let's run today. All right, so today we've got 75 hops, so 75 visits to our link. That's good. Those are coming up. If you go back and watch the other stats on the videos, you can see those are coming up now. And then if we go in here and run from when we started, which was, well, I guess 18 days ago, you'll be able to see what we've had since then. So hops to our site, 2,617. That's a bunch to our site, so that's good. We're getting lots of traffic. And this is total clicks to our order form. So these are people that went through, they clicked on our link, they saw what it was, then they went through to the order form. And now we're just waiting for that person that we find so we can make that first sale inside this system with this product. And maybe we won't with this product. Maybe we'll do better on the next product, but we're going to find out. The nice thing is that once these 20 emails are out and we move on, these emails are still going to work for us in the background because we still send them out. They're still out there. Now, these people that clicked and these people that are interested, this company that we're promoting at this point for this offer is still going to market that for us on our behalf because we do have a 60-day sticky cookie to us for that product in this site, which means 60 days from now or 58 days from now, if that person purchases what was inside that program, we still get paid. So this is a long-term plan. So we've got a lot of chances in here to still make some sales, even after we stop marketing this product and move on to the next one. That's why I like doing this so well. You have lots of chances and your odds are very good. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into my lead gen secret. We'll get our emails out for the day. And today we're on email 18. If you're just joining, maybe you're on one of the other emails and that's fine. I'm going to send mine out while we're on video here, just to run through this again in case anyone is confused or still trying to figure everything out. So we come in, we hit mailing system. You don't need to worry about these, don't need to worry about any of this. Let me grab a pen. You don't need to worry about any of this, none of this, none of this. Wouldn't worry about any of this. Then you would come down and you're going to hit select all. So you want to select all your leads. And then we'll go down, we'll put our subject line. This won't let me move it. So, all right, so we'll clear this. We'll come down. And then we're going to we're not going to need this. So we don't need to change this. We just leave it alone. And the first place basically down here we're going to start is subject. We're going to copy and paste our subject. And we're going to use this short code here for whenever we put our first name in. So let's go ahead and start and we'll get that done. Get rid of this. So today our email 18 is done below this video. And this is the subject line. And then we're going to go down. Well, I'm going to go over and I'm going to copy. So Control C, the email off my doc. And I'm Control V and paste it in. Now I'm going to, obviously, I want my name in there. You want your name. And I am going to go ahead and use the pre-header today. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. And today I will. And I'm going to change all of this except the pre-header to just regular text because I like it like that. And then we'll use our short code right here. Copy and paste, comma. Now I already have my links in here. If you are still needing to put your links inside here, what you'll do is just take this piece here, highlight it, go up here to your link, click here and Control V. That will place your link inside there. Now, if you don't have your link yet, then you need to go back to the first video where I'll show in Clickbank where to find that information and how to get that so that you can start promoting these products. So once I'm done there, I'm going to come down. I've got everything ready. We always run one last check just to make sure because we did not click there. So there we go. There's our leads for the day. These are all brand new accounts. So you can see we've sending out 3,700 today on this account. And we're going to go down, run our checks. Everything's good. I'm going to Control C and copy that, hit perfect timing and send. So now I'm ready for the next account as soon as this sends. There we go, it's gone. I'm going to go right up here and right click and hit duplicate. And I'm going to log out. And I'm going to log back into my next account, which is going to be number 2. So again, mailing system, select all. I already have the email copied, so I'm going to go down here, Control V. There we go. Perfect timing. And all I need to do at this point is go grab the subject from my document. And I'm going to highlight, Control C, copy this for the next one. So we're ready to go. There we go. All right, then we move on to our next account. We just move our tabs and we're going to log out and we're going to log into number 3 right there. Same thing, mailing system, select all. We already have our email, so we're going to highlight, Control V, and we're going to come back up, throw our subject in there. This is just how I like to do it. When you get going, you can figure out what works best for you. If you want to do subject first or however you want to do it, doesn't matter. This is just how I do it. It's the habit that I'm in after doing this for so long. On some other accounts, this is brand new what we're doing here, but I do have some other bigger accounts that I've been working with for quite some time. All right, we've got our email ready to go. So we go to our other account. And we're going to log into number 4. Mailing, select all the way down. Control V, there we go. Grab our subject. And then grab our email. Control C, send. So that's almost it. So, I mean, that's like 10 minutes, right? And then you've got ads out for the day. So this is very easy to do. It's not time consuming at all when all this is already done for you. We're already on our last account. There we go. Control V to paste. There's our email. And then we're going to go grab our subject one last time for this email. And there it is. And then we're going to hit send. Now that's it. So now we've just put out, well, we can go back real quick. We'll just see how many leads we sent to today between these 5 accounts. Now, some of these accounts are getting doubles. So for this one, we just sent to 3,700. Let me grab a calculator so I can keep track. So let's see, 3,700. Number 2. So plus 19. And actually, that's going to be plus 19 again. Again, and then we can just go straight to our last one. Okay, straight to our last account, because I can move this over here so you can see. Straight to our last account, we'll check statistics. So 3,000 there, so we'll do plus 3,000. So today we just sent out 12,400 ads, emails out to people interested in making money online or online businesses or online work. Okay, so that is what we sent out. Now, these numbers, this is a big number, right? For only being 18 days, starting a new system. So in just over 2 weeks, we've started this new system and we're already have this many leads that we're sending to. And you saw we are getting clicks, we are getting visits to our website. We're just waiting for that person that offer is right for to go ahead and see that. We're going to continue doing this and see how long it takes us to actually start turning a good revenue from this. So we want to definitely get to even, and then we're going to see how long it takes us to start making an income, right? Because that's what it's all about. It's making money. That is why we're here. All right, guys. So I appreciate you being here. If you like this video, please leave me a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free to do so. We surely appreciate it. And it helps us keep putting these videos out to help people learn how to do some of these things online and get free from the 9 to 5. That's what it's all about. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here. Later.